Hello guys, we have opened up Photoshop now and we are going to animate this dashboard in After Effects. The animation will be 3D projection, like the laptop will open and this UI will pop out. The elements from this UI will pop out of the screen of the laptop. Okay, so this is the design that I have downloaded from the web. You get many free web dashboard UI designs from the web and you can download any of those. Probably it will be PSD file, as the UI design for apps or websites are mostly done in Photoshop and not in Illustrator directly. So it doesn't matter for us right now, because both of the files will work for us in After Effects. So you may notice that there are different elements in this design, and now the first step we have to do is to plan which elements will be coming out of the screen in the laptop. So considering that this is the dashboard, and these are the elements like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so 8 elements inside this UI, this website. But of course you can, if you really want to go specific about it, like if it's your own design and you want to highlight one particular element in coming out of the screen, so you can choose that. But for this design, what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate out all of these 8 elements in separate layers, so that I have control over each of them in After Effects. Okay, we will not be animating this menu here or the title bar, like the header or anything else, because that's too tiny inside, and that's irrelevant right now. So don't worry about the design, it could be anything. This is just a simple design we have taken, and the statistics inside it is irrelevant right now, but we are just going to go through the process of doing the animation of it coming out of the screen. So what we need to do is we need to separate out all of these layers. Okay, so once you go to the layer panel in Photoshop, you will see that there are different groups formed already. So it is very well organized, and you have the base, you have the dashboard and the navigation menu. But we need to work with the dashboard menu only, because we are going to animate that and nothing else. So we have this main title here. Okay, so we'll leave it as it is, and then we have all the elements separate out already in the groups. So if you see that if anything is missing out and it's not separate from the group, like this charts, so all of these charts are here inside this group. Okay, so we need to separate them out, and so click on the drop down and figure out how many elements are there. So you can just cut, paste or drag it out of the main folder. Okay, like we have done for the navigation, and let's do the same for the scroll. Okay, so this is the dashboard here, and let's bring everything out from the dashboard. So the main panel will go here, and then your business, you can grab all of them and just bring them out of that. Okay, so now when you go inside the charts, we'll grab all of these as well and bring it out of the charts folder. So now we have nothing in the charts folder. Let's delete that, and let's bring out the logo and the base file, base layer as well, and then we'll delete this. Okay, so I think our layers are sorted now. We have the navigation, all right, we have the scroll, we have the main title, and we have this your business, and all of these elements separate from each other. So when we will import them inside After Effects, this will come as it is, exactly as it is, so we will have control over them. You can either for this particular tutorial, for this particular animation, you can either just merge the group and make it as one layer. It will also be simpler, but we'll keep the group right now so that we can go inside that and change anything if you want later on. Okay, so just recheck all the layers if they are separate or not, and let's bring our logo to the top. Okay, so once these layers are sorted, we are ready for our animation. Just check on these file size, the canvas size. Go to image and check on the canvas size here in pixels, because it is 1920 by 1280, which is okay. We are going to create a comp of full HD inside After Effects, so this will work very easily. So let's hit save, and we are ready to import this file inside After Effects.